Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denis and today we're going to be talking about my favorite stock. And if you don't know what my favorite stock is, it's NIO. So in the past, I've actually done an analysis video right here. You can just go ahead and click on it if you don't know what that is or you want to understand a little bit more about NIO. So in this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about how I'm gonna be buying even more shares in the future for NIO and how NIO hit its all-time high, and a little bit about my own personal story when I'm investing into this NIO company. So I make videos like this every single week. I post once or twice every single week. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video. Also, if you guys would like to follow me, my social links, it will be right here or in the description below. That would be much appreciated. And with all of that being said, let's just get right into the video. Before we get right into the video, I would just like to remind all of you out there that I'm no financial advisor. I'm just a 19-year-old kid who likes to make finance videos. So please do your research before listening to me and let's just jump right in. So just yesterday, I was actually minding my own business, I was just doing a little bit of my stuffs, and all of a sudden, the stock market opened and I went and checked NIO. And guess what I found? NIO actually hit its all-time high by hitting around $16 at first, and then later on closing the market at $17.85. So my average cost was actually around $13.65, and you may think that this is a good sign for me, but for me, I'm actually planning to add more shares into NIO in the future and hold them for the long term. So obviously, I was pissed. I was pissed. The reason why I did not buy all of the NIO shares at one go was because I didn't have enough of money, but I still wanted to add my positions into NIO, and I thought that this NIO company's stock's price would not increase in such a short time. Even if it would increase, I didn't thought that it would actually increase that much. So anyways, the universe hates me as usual, and the stock actually rose by 19%, and that's crazy. It's just like the second Tesla, but it's NIO, and NIO is my favorite stock. Tesla, I don't care, but NIO, it's my favorite stock, and it rose by 19%. So I guess I'm gonna have to fast on biscuits or crackers just to add more positions into NIO in the next month. So here's my prediction. If you guys want to listen to my predictions and my guesses, please watch till the end to understand why and where I'm coming from my opinions. So I think like 3 to 4 weeks ago when I entered into NIO, it was much less volatile than what it is right now. So when I first entered into NIO, it was like around $12. At first, personally, I thought that $12 was a little too high to enter, but I went and researched on this company and I studied a little bit about NIO. So I thought like maybe in the future this company has a lot of room for growth, so I just put some of my money into it. And at first I owned a couple of shares, and then later on I just went on and dollar cost averaged my positions into NIO, and I continue adding my positions there again and again until this month. So you can actually tell that the investors that went into NIO before it turned $13 or $14 are the ones that are actually studying the company and knows what the company actually does. They're the ones who are really investing into this company for the long term, like I am. Unlike the Robinhood traders that actually entered into NIO after it turned $14, which I call them FOMOs. If you don't know what FOMOs means, it's called fear of missing out. It's a very common term used on Robinhood traders because they're traders and they just want to look for a quick profit and buy in, and once the market goes up, they would just take their profit and they would just run and have a drink or two and celebrate their success. So for we investors, we actually invest a couple of years or even decades sometimes. No hate to the Robinhood traders, but hey, trading is kind of fun and I have to admit that. But you guys are the ones that are destroying my plans right now, and I really hate you guys. But here's my prediction. Once I saw that NIO stock's price actually went across $16, I know that these traders would actually get out of the market as soon as possible. So definitely in the future, a couple of days later maybe, or maybe a couple of weeks later, there's definitely going to be a pullback from NIO's price. And if you guys are like me looking to add more positions into NIO, but don't know when because it's really risky right now. It's at its all-time high. You guys can actually save some cash on your hand right now and ready for the right moment to strike. Bear in mind that I did not say that a pullback would definitely occur, but in my opinion, I think that it would happen in a day or two. So I definitely have some cash in my account right now. Yes, I know that timing the market is not always the right way to do so, but for NIO, it's a stock that I really like and I really don't want to take a lot of risk. So I'm gonna just try to time the market just this once, I promise. So back to the point, I'll try to time the market just this once, and even if the market doesn't have a pullback, I would continue adding my shares into NIO. I'll just have to fast on even cheaper food, maybe like some dog canned food or something, just to buy more positions into NIO. But I think that's obviously fine because NIO is my future right now. So what's gonna happen after this pullback is that it's going to hit all-time high again. So why will I say that? It's because every time a stock in a market that hits the all-time high would get extra exposure due to so many new traders or day traders that are trying to just hop on a trend and take a quick profit. So each time a stock that hits all-time high, it would have a pullback because these traders would actually take their profit and run out of the market, and other traders would come in to ride on a trend, so it would hit another all-time high again. Just like Tesla, it hit around $2,100 I think a couple of days ago where I'm making this video right now, and it's now around 1,900 I think. So it's definitely going to be a really volatile market, so I advise you guys to save some cash on your hand by the side to ready to strike at any moment. It is what it is when you have a market full of traders.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So we investors will have to ride along the ups and downs, and we just hope for the best to strike at the best time. But even if you don't strike at the best time, just continue dollar cost averaging it since you believe in this company so much. I've been keeping really close to NIO's news, and they just launched their BAAS some stuff like that a few days ago. So it's about the battery swap kind of thing, and I'm a really big fan of that. So I'll be investing into this company in the long term. So here is my struggle right now. The struggle is that I actually could not find any moment to enter into NIO, and I can't lie, I have the little bit of fear of missing out as well, which is the term that I mentioned earlier called FOMO. Even if I'm bullish as shit, I'm still really scared because the higher the price goes, the more risk you're taking. As Warren Buffett said, be greedy when everyone is fearful, and be fearful when everyone is greedy. Right now, the market is full of people that are greedy. So you guys are probably wondering, why am I talking so much bullshit about this company? It's because I just like to talk a lot, So I have my answers for you guys. If you guys want to get into this company, own a couple of shares in this company, you guys can do anytime you want. I still see it as a buy because always have the long-term mindset. Never think of taking a quick profit and escaping and thinking that it's an easy job and easy money. So that's the mindset that an investor should have. Always think things long term. This is just my opinion, okay? Just my opinion. I think that NIO is going to be hitting around $20 really soon. Maybe it's going to be today where the market is going to open later. So I'm probably not going to be early enough to update you guys on the market later. So I really hope you guys just keep an eye on the market. So I think that NIO is going to be hitting $20 real soon, maybe next week or so, because as I said, the exposure and the trend is just getting stronger and stronger. So more traders would jump in on a trend and continue to try to take profit. Even if NIO wouldn't hit around $20, I think that it would at least hit $20 by the end of this year, because due to Christmas, people want to change cars. Due to Chinese New Year's, people want to change cars. They want to celebrate themselves for doing so well in this year. I mean, despite the pandemic going on, maybe they're big businessmen. So as long as NIO continue to sell their cars their second quarter's results, NIO is going to have a really bright future ahead of them. They're probably going to even catch up to Tesla, but I don't think so, because America's always number one. They're the first place in everything, even due to the pandemic's death rate. Okay, I'm taking that too far. So that's all I have for today for you guys. So if you guys like videos like this, smash the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know so I'll make more of these videos for you guys. Also, as a reminder that I make videos like this every single week. I post once, sometimes twice in every week. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.